Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to choose what apps you need to use standard refresh rate on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So say for example, on your Samsung S25 Ultra, you have chosen the option to get 120 Hz for smooth scrolling and maybe a good gameplay. Then let me show you how you can basically turn on an option where it basically allows you to choose what apps you need to just use standard refresh rate. So to do this, you need to first go ahead and open up the Samsung Store, search for Store, and this is the app you need to open. Go ahead and open that. Now here in Store, you're searching for the following app called Display Assistant Beta. Tap on this. This is the app you require. Go ahead and download this and install it. Once installed, go ahead and open the app. Now in the app, you're looking for the following option called Standard Refresh Rate Apps. So this will extend battery life by applying the standard refresh rate for each app. So say for example, you've got some gaming apps, however, you've got Facebook and also you've got TikTok, and you've chosen the option to allow 120 Hz of refresh rate for all the apps. However, you don't need 120 Hz for Facebook and TikTok. So you can go ahead and put this in the exemption list to use standard refresh rate. So go ahead and tap plus sign, go ahead and choose those apps. Then tap on add, and now that specific app will only use the standard refresh rate, which is 60 Hz, and this will basically save you battery on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So there you go guys, that is how to choose what apps you need to use as a standard refresh rate on your Samsung S25 Ultra. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.